Anthropic just dropped Claude Opus 4.7. Most people repeat AI model claims. In this video, we run a constrained reproducible test, one screenshot, one model, one app, and I'm gonna put a hard token cap because they are saying for Opus the agentic coding and also the visual reasoning is being significantly improved since the last model. So from 69% it went to 82%. So let's test it. We're gonna create an image of an application and we will tell it to build this application straight away, and we will make a hard token limit. So let's see if my minimum Claude subscription will be enough to build this application with 2 prompts. But before that, if you don't know who I am Gemini Mockup. I work a normal job and I'll also make extra money with AI powered apps and automations, and I teach others to do the same. And now, so this will be our prompt. Create a high fidelity mobile app screenshot for family shared shopping list app, because we need this in our family. So this is why I decided to do that. Modern and etc. You can stop and see how exactly the prompt is written. Let's see what it's going to generate. I'm going to use Pro, so it's going to use Nano Banana Pro model. We have our image of our application. So let's see. We're going to copy this image and we'll open Claude. So now in Claude, I'm going to go to Claude Code. I will choose 4.7. And for thinking effort, I'm going to choose medium because usually everyone uses it in medium. I'm going to create a new folder. And now I'm accepting all of the edits. You can see now I have used 0% of my context window. So let's see if it's going to be enough to generate this application. And now I have added the image here. And this is the prompt we're going to use. You are building a lightweight web app from visual target image, which is this one. Task: implement a family shared shopping list app that matches the attached reference screenshot as closely as possible. So hard constraints: keep total generation under 100,000 tokens for the whole session. I don't know if it's gonna be enough to not hit the rate limit, but anyway, I just want to push it to use less tokens. Prioritize shipping, complete visual app, and etc. And we're just saying that React, Vite and stuff. I just generated this prompt. And here include concise run steps, npm install and run dev. I'm just gonna say include a single file open for the app, and pasted the prompt. Let's run it and see what is gonna go. Trust the workspace, and we are starting the session. It says the app is scaffolded. I have to run these commands, but I don't want to run them, so I'm just gonna tell it to run them. And also I'm gonna repeat myself because in the previous prompt I said include a single file open. Run the commands and make a single file with icon to open the app. I'm gonna allow, and it has created the application, so I can see it. And now let me open the image and let me put them side by side. And as you can see, it is completely the same application. It is really good. Let's see that if it's working. I cannot click these profiles. Let's add something. I can add it by Maria. So something from David. Let's add dairy pantry. These are working. Added by. They can choose straight away who is adding it. And if they access this, it's straight away gonna be good. So all of the completed items, we can see them as well. This is really good. So it has been able to finish the app for 43,000 tokens, which is really good. I'm just gonna run my second prompt, which is gonna be for refining. So to do a strict visual and behavior refinement passed against the reference image and close fidelity gaps, list mismatches you see, layout, spacing, typography, color card, and etc. To be honest, I cannot see the difference, but anyway, I'm gonna run it, and I'm gonna add a right side experiment scorecard panel, so which is gonna be collapsible, so we will see exactly what it is. I'm gonna run this prompt again, and we have used only 8% of our plan. So the thing that I've told it to do it with minimum tokens, it has worked, and you can see that how short it is keeping its answers. It is straight away seeing what mismatches it found. So quick add reference has only 2 visible fields, quick add and quantity and add button. My version cramped unit category priority added by in a second row. Needs to hide extras behind the small toggle. So let's see. So it has been only quick add quantity and one add button. That's it. It has generated some extras. Now it's gonna hide them. Mine was already bottom right, but pill text weight adding was too heavy. Cart meta reference shows 1. I think Anthropic's claim of visual understanding is on point, because it can even measure what kind of pixel difference they have from the image in the app. So we will see now after this edits exactly how the app is gonna look. Maybe it is a smart model, but it's a bit slow now. Found the mismatches, but it's been 4 minutes, spent 397 tokens, and we're still waiting to make the edits. And we can see for now, before this output, we have used 14% of our plan and 44k, so 22% of our context window. So let's see how long it's gonna take it to finish and how the app is gonna look. But I am pretty sure that it's gonna make it perfectly aligned with the image. I am impressed of this performance. What happened? API error. Applying edits and adding scorecard API error. Turn failed. Try sending it again. So I'm just gonna copy this prompt and send it again, or just gonna say continue. So let's see if it's gonna be able to continue and work. It says changes are applied. So we used 55,000 tokens. So it used less than 100,000 tokens in order to build the app. So let's see the application again. Let me refresh. And experimental scorecard, it's uploads under 2 seconds on mobile. Of course it's okay. This is the mobile app. So let's refresh. Of course it is loading in less than 2 seconds. So this score is 5. Let's see the other score. Boxes toggle state persistently. So let's see. Bananas. Everything is here completed. Even I can remove them from completed. Let's remove everything from here. So we have one more pending. And now we have more options, which in the image is not here. But as you can see, the application is completely the same. Just bit off maybe the color source, but everything is same. Quick add, produce, send. So let me open it on mobile and just check. Starting from top, maybe some font changes, and these icons. These are more colorful. Here are more like CSV. And that's it. Maria, high, medium. All of these things are set up. So I can put something with quantity add and it's going to be added. I don't know how here I'm using, if it's a high or low. That's good. So everything is working. So this one is 5 as well. Checkboxes toggle consistently, and category filter narrows visible items. Of course, it is narrowing the visible items, so all of them are here. We can see that when we switch between the categories, everything is working. This is perfect app. I loved it, so I'm gonna ship it straight away and start using it with our family, because I don't want to write on the fridge's whiteboard anymore. And 5 here as well. So this is really good. If you want to learn how you can make it online or sell this type of applications and build them, you can join the community from the link below, or watch my previous videos. There I'm covering how to host this type of applications. And yeah, good job. Opus 4.7, really good image understanding. I have just attached the image. I've uploaded it here, just referenced it, and with 2 prompts, it has been able to create this application. So we can straight away ship it and start using it. Build it under 100,000 tokens. We just used 27% of our 5-hour limit, and I am on the minimum plan of Claude. So whatever they are saying here, at least from this small test, we can see that it is true. I haven't tested this same thing with other app, but I can test it in future videos so we can see the difference. So go check Opus 4.7. You can explicitly say that, for example, if you are building a landing page, web page, or whatever, you can explicitly to stay under 100,000 tokens, or even you can say under 10,000 tokens. It's not gonna be able to do that, but at least it's gonna aim to do that. So this will reduce your token usage. And of course, you can change your thinking effort. For example, if you are given all of the instructions for the application, it doesn't have to think that much. So you can just put effort to low, and that's it. And this is it. So every week, Anthropic is shipping, and all of the other AI models and companies are shipping. So it is hard to stay in line with all of the news and models that are happening. But if you want to stay updated, you can join the community and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully you've got some value from this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you.